Welcome back to Use What You Got. Today we're going to unbox a Ryobi Table Saw. Or is it Ryobi? 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 I haven't really used many table saws, so I'm really excited. Let's jump into the video. Alright, now that we have it all out, we're going to go ahead and assemble it in a little bag of screws and bolts. I do actually read manuals and the tools that come with it, which I'll share a little bit more once I get it built. So obviously I was having a little bit of fun with the intro to this video, but I wanted to do a little wrap up talking about the table saw itself and then the different items that come with the table saw. So just a quick overview, you have your miter gauge to push your wood through if you're gonna do it at different angles from 0 to 45. It comes with a push stick. You have your tools to actually change out your saw. And then you have your guard, which is really nice if you're just doing straight cuts. You can't really have this on if you're doing 45s, but it is nice just for some extra protection. I've actually found that I prefer to not have it on while I'm sawing. And then you have your actual fence itself. I have two gripes, which I want to talk a little bit about. But aside from those two gripes, before I get to them, I've actually really enjoyed my time with this saw. I haven't used it a ton, but I've been using it for about a month and a half or so now on different projects. My first gripe is that there's only one area for a T-track. I really wish there was a second one, but I also know that this saw was less than $200, so I know you're only gonna get so much. My second thing, you'll see on the back that they have the exit hole here for the sawdust. The only issue is they didn't provide a bag, which is kind of surprising. I guess that's something small that you'd think would come with a table saw, but I do have a shop vac that I can hook up to it, so for me that's not an issue. But if you don't have a shop vac, that might be an issue for you. It seems like the fence is pretty accurate. I'm pretty happy with that. I think if you're a DIYer or you just do somewhat simple stuff, you'll probably be fine with this. If you're doing more intricate stuff, I don't have enough experience to say this is good enough, but you might be okay with it. You might have to invest some more money into a better saw. I can't really answer that. But one thing I do like is that all these tools can be hidden underneath the bottom of the table saw. There are mounting points. As an entry-level table saw, and as someone who is just a DIYer and a pretty much brand new to woodworking, I've been very happy with this. Again, there might be some of you who watch this video and say, oh, you should have bought a miter saw first. I actually have access to one, and I'm going to be using it in some upcoming projects, so I'm not as worried about that, but at some point down the road, I'm definitely going to invest in a miter saw. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and if you're not looking to buy a table saw, hopefully it was enjoyable to watch. If you did enjoy this video and you're looking forward to more, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I will catch you in the next one.